So in this Notes app tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add grid lines to notes on the Notes app. So if you were to open up the Notes app and you currently just go to a note, it might just be blank for you like it is for me. If you want to change this, it's very simple. Go to the Settings app on your phone. Once the Settings app is selected, go to the bottom and press the Apps icon. Once Apps is opened up, scroll down to N and then go ahead and select Notes. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit further to where it says Viewing and then select on Lines and Grids. Here at the bottom, you can go ahead and select a different type of grid. So if you just want to do like a basic grid right here, you can go ahead and select that. Once you have your selection made, go back to the Notes app. It's not going to add grid lines to the notes that are already opened and created, but if you were to go ahead and just start a new note right here, as you can tell, the grid lines are showing and displaying here on the Notes app. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add grid lines to notes on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.